Sunnin Phi Lock, Happy New Year. My name's Bobby Henebry, and I'm looking forward to running a 3-hour workshop for CFA Society Hong Kong on March 13th, where I will discuss an investment manager's perspective on Bitcoin, digital assets, and blockchain. I'll cover the history of this asset class, do an interactive example of how blockchain works to tee up then the investment manager perspective, where we'll dive into historical returns, correlations, tax, custody considerations, regulatory conversations, the emerging market compared to developed market perspective on this space, and help you be better informed on approaching this asset class. I'll also talk about how you can access it either directly or indirectly, and that said, this is not meant as a recommendation or a solicitation for any security or fund. It's up to you to figure out if this is a fit for you personally and or those that you advise. Looking at my background, I've been a partner in 2 investment funds, traditional investment funds, equities, listed securities mainly, but I've also covered some private equity and alternative assets. I bring that perspective to this space where I got personally interested back in 2016 when I started a mining operation at home, mining Ethereum. Okay, so I was an early adopter. Then as it took off, I started speaking around the world, traveling extensively, talking to a bunch of startups, and I've been to over 50 countries in my life and over 30 in the past few years. I've spoken dozens of times on this subject, including to a number of CFA societies and other business networks around the world. So I bring that investment manager perspective to being an entrepreneur personally in this space, and I'm going to help you in our workshop on March 13th answer a number of questions. It'll be very interactive, and I look forward to being with you. Until then, I will say to you, Gong Hei Fat Choi.